What's the meaning of cover girl? Cover girl. Cover girl.
Cover girl. Cover girl. Cover girl is a term used to describe a female model or celebrity who appears on the front cover of a magazine or publication, typically in a glamorous or stylish photo. Being a cover girl is seen as a significant achievement in the modeling and entertainment industries, as it typically means that the individual has achieved a high level of fame and success. These covers are often used to promote a particular issue or product, and can help to boost the profile and popularity of both the magazine and the featured individual.